Alliance Gator. Alliance Gator's hybrid sealants are offered with a natural look or with a color enhancer made with 100% pure high-grade acrylic or acrylic copolymer used to seal concrete pavers. They penetrate deep into the concrete pavers' pores, thus reducing the oil and dirt penetration, as well as protecting them from de-icing salt. Prior laying any sealer removes any type of stains with the appropriate cleaning agent, then cleans the entire surface with the Gator Efflorescence Cleaner. This product will remove the efflorescence trapped in the concrete paver pores, as well as thoroughly clean the surface for proper sealer adhesion. Start with the highest point, making your way down. When surfaces all been cleaned, rinse the work and validate if there are no other stains remaining. Do not apply if rain is expected within 24 hours. Temperature should be between 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius, and 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 29 degrees Celsius when sealer is applied. Concrete paver surface must be cool to the touch when sealer is applied. Gator's hybrid sealants is water repellent, rain safe after 24 hours. Apply the water-based sealer. The use of the roller and sprayer will help remove any excess sealer left on the paver surface. Always back roll with the roller. Let the paved surface dry for 24 hours before using the sealed area. The customer has selected a high gloss with a natural look. We also offer the zero gloss, a low gloss, a high gloss, a low gloss with color enhancer, and a high gloss color enhancer. This will be the result of a job well done. Alliance Gator's hybrid sealants, the choice of the professional. To learn more, visit us at alliancegator.com.